Oh, ito yung bilining sasakyan para sa akin. Ayan, akin na tong sasakyan na to. Nasa pangalan ko to. Ayan yung likod. Wala pang plaka, bibilang pa. Saturn. Gawa siya ng Chevrolet. And then, yung gulong maganda pa. Kasi, hindi pa siya pudpod. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung harap. Ayan. Malinis naman. Nabili namin second hand. Year 2002 model. Ayan ang radio. Working ang AC at ang heater. There's the airbag. It's automatic with child lock security para hindi mabuksan ng bata yung pinto habang nagda-drive. Ayan. Dito mo i-arrange ayusin yung side mirror. Automatic. Ayan ang dashboard. Salamin. Malinis naman siya nung nabili namin. Tsaka yan, airbag. Ito, lagayan ng kung ano-ano. Ayan. Speaker. Ayan, wala pa kaming mat. Bibili pa kami ng mat. You have to buy mat. And then yung seat niya, itong gustong-gusto ko kasi leather. I really like the seat because it's leather. Pero I'll buy a seat cover para hindi masira. Ayan. Medyo konting I have to clean the yung pinakababa niya. Konting linis. Pero okay na siya. Tapos, ito yung lock niya sa likod. Ayan o. Automatic na siya. Ayan. Tapos meron din siyang power wheel. Yung pwede itaas yung pwede itaas yung upuan ng driver seat para kung pandakekok ka. Tapos yan may cruise control para hindi ka ma-speeding. Ayan. Ayan. This is my car, first car. Woohoo! I'm happy. Okay na. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Ayun, hindi naman mataas yung miles. Yung miles niya, 118,000 miles. Ayun. Yun lang. Yan yung bahay ng mga kapitbahay namin, ang papangit. Mga pangit namin kapitbahay. Joke lang. Ano pa ba? Wala lang maisip ito. Ewan kung paano buksan to. I don't know how to open this. Wala akong makitang button. Pero si Greg nabuksan to eh. There you go. Ayan. Lagay ng soft drinks. Tsaka doon. Lagay ng soft drinks habang nagda-drive. Pag nauhaw, handbrake. Okay na. Yun lang. It's 11:56 in the morning. Well, almost afternoon na. Almost noon time. That's it. Yee! I can't wait to drive this car. Yan, malinis naman. Malinis ang bubong. Ayan, gas pump. Collection ng daddy ni Greg. May gas pump kami. Tapos may stoplight. Gumagana yan. May stoplight kami sa bahay. Okay.
I looked
Zach!
I looked everywhere for you.
Did you?
Yeah.
I yelled. I said, I'm here. You didn't hear
I
me?
heard you, but then I never could find you again. I looked all through the house. Zach told me you came out here. I didn't believe him.
I'm taking a video. I'll send this to my mom.
You still a hairdo?
Yeah, bagong gupit. I cut his hair.
He's still complaining about it.